It can be really difficult to choose a makeup brush that works for you. And from all the brushes available in the market, both high-end and affordable, it can be really challenging to choose a brush that works for you every single day. Here are 5 brushes that are tried, tested, and a must-have in your makeup kit. The first and the most important brush that I would like to put in my kit would be this synthetic foundation brush. It's round in shape, it's got bristles like a kabuki brush, and it's really soft. And the thing about synthetic brushes is that you can use your cream and your powder foundations with just one brush. Also, there are a lot of different kind of brushes available in the market. You get your flat foundation brush, you get your stippling brushes, you get your angle brushes. But I feel that this brush is the most essential because it is really soft, number one. And also it helps you get into the curves of your face and makes the application really seamless and well blended. So this is my must have. A very important thing that you need to keep in your mind while you're buying your synthetic brushes is that you always touch your bristles and see if they are soft and fluffy, because if they are not soft and fluffy, you can have a really streaky application and they'll drag your skin and it may irritate you later on. So make sure that you touch your brushes and see if they're soft and nice. So the second most important brush that you need to have in your kit has to be this concealer brush. A concealer brush like this would really help you get into the nooks and corners of your face so that you get the seamless application, and also a synthetic bristle like this would allow you to use your creams and your liquids. And the best part about this brush is that it lets you also blend your eyeshadow, so you can actually do 2 things with one brush. Moving on to the third most important brush. Now that has to be a contour brush because we all like chiseled and defined jawline. Now your contour brush is not like your regular blush brush or your powder brush. Your contour brush looks like this, with bristles like this. It's slightly angular, as you can see, and obviously it will help you contour your face according to your natural contours. A brush like this will also give you that effortless, seamless finish because it will blend more quickly and more nicely. Like, it will not give you any streaky application. Again, make sure that you look for a dense brush. Don't look for brushes that have scanty bristles because that will again make your application patchy, and you don't want something like that. So let's move on to the eye brush. Now we have a lot of different kind of eye brushes, guys, available in the market, but my favorite would be this brush. This is an angular eyebrow brush. Now this angular eyebrow brush not only fills your brows and makes them look flawless, but what it also does is it helps you put on your liner, and it makes your liner really perfect and crisp. Because it has this angular bristle and it's a little hard, it really helps your eyeliner application go on smoothly. Also, a versatile way of using this brush is use it as a lip liner brush, because when you want a nice red mouth with a precise crisp lining, a brush like this would really help you guys. So having this is a must. Last but not the least would be your powder brush. Now your powder brush can be real hair brush because it's only going to be used with powder products. Also, the second thing about this brush would be the versatility of it. You can use this brush actually to apply your blush as well. Usually when you go to buy powder brushes, you get those really big, massive, fancy looking brushes which you don't want. You want to avoid those brushes as they will pick up a lot of product and will make your application more cakey. Instead, opt for a brush which looks like this. A brush like this would be ideal for both the applications, and it's enough. Like, it's not too big and it's not too small, and it will just take the right amount of product onto your face and make your skin look flawless. One last thing I would really like to emphasize is on you really need to wash your brushes at least once a week. Now you can wash your brushes with using a brush cleanser from MAC, Kryolan, and several other brands sell them. Or else what you can do is you can just take a mild soap and mix it with water. Gently wash your brushes and make sure that there is clean water draining out of it, and flat dry it overnight. So these are the 5 brushes that I really love and I cannot really live without. Let me know what are your favorite brushes in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.